Hey, what are you doing out here?
Oh, you smell my bacon?
I smell something good.
Well, we broke out the Blackstone grill for a change, and I'm gonna make, I don't know what to call it, burger dogs, doggy burgers. We have some nice hamburger, what is it? Mostly steak burger, meat. And I made this before. I got the hamburger patty and I rolled it up like a hot dog and I grilled it and I put it on a hot dog bun. And it was a doggy burger. Burger dog. And a couple people reminded me lately, said, why don't you make that? I did make that, but I didn't record it. So now I'm going to record it. It's just one of my favorite things to eat. And it's fun and you could try it too. I'm going to put bacon on it, of course.
You're going to put it in a hot dog roll?
Yeah, I bought a thing of hot dog rolls and it said giant. And I'm like, I think it meant there was a lot of rolls in there. Well, they weren't giant. I think they're smaller than regular hot dog rolls, but we're going to find out. The meat usually shrinks anyway, right? If anything, it's going to hang out over the edge. I'll just bite it off. So I'm making the bacon first. Get a little extra season on that grill. Let me roll up these steak burgers quick. You gonna make some of these?
Hey, Rick, here's the burgers.
Oh, look. Prime rib steak burger. Whoa, from Sam's Club. $20 for 8 of these. 3.5 pounds. I'm gonna take one, roll it up, and throw it on the grill. I just came from washing my hands. I'm gonna roll one of these up. For sample. Where's the oil? Put a little oil over here. Burgers on this side. Turn it down to medium. You got a Blackstone grill? These are gonna be good. They'd be good as hamburgers. You know you want to smell this right now. I turned that way down there. Cheeseburgers. Look how easy this is. You can either do that or roll it like some silly putty. But this is good, right? Shape of a hot dog. You know what they look like? Hot dogs. Is that good for you? You're gonna have some, right?
Oh, yeah.
Sideways or long ways? This is a nice piece of meat. Look at that. That'd be a nice burger, but I'm sure it will shrink. And if you just have a 5-pound pile of loose hamburger, roll them in a ball and roll them into your shape. How many should I make? 4 at least?
Make 4, yeah.
I thought you were having one.
I'm having one.
Oh, rabbits are down there. Got my heat on low over here. I'm gonna roll them around. Nice firm meat there.
Let me get something for the bacon. I'm going up on you, okay?
Oh, look at the bacon. I'm gonna turn this side down. Off. Turn that off. Beautiful. Oh, look it. Heat's on low, remember. So I have it. I like them crispy. I have the heat off. I'll just do this.
Okay.
Everybody happy? Little chunk of bacon on there. I love that. Do this on any kind of grill you have. You know that. It's going to be exciting. It's exciting already. 89 degrees. Isn't it 89 degrees outside?
Yeah.
67 inside. This bacon will be good here. What are we gonna call this? Burger dogs? Doggy burgers. I'm gonna make mine just like I make my cheeseburgers. I like a little mayo on mine. Put some mayo down first. Put the meat on. But we're gonna melt cheese on this too. Bacon. Slice of pickle like a hot dog. Gonna deep fry these too. Looks like meat Twinkies. Doesn't it? Well, you roll around your meat Twinkies for about 5 or 7 minutes. Get them cooked evenly on all sides. Remember, they're steak burgers too. Wow. I wonder how much they weighed each. I know you're gonna make these. Isn't it so easy? Morsel. Oh, you wanted that. You should grab them for that.
I just want to make sure they all get crispy.
They're crisp enough.
They're gonna be beautiful.
Yes.
I'm gonna put the rest of these back in the refrigerator.
Okay. I'll keep rolling my meat. Good idea. Thanks for reminding me about this. I made it before. I didn't record it. A bacon hors d'oeuvre. Meat logs. Rolling. Keep them meat logs rolling. A crawler. Meat crawlers. How's that? Donut shop. Here you go, Burger King. Here's your new idea. Meat dogs. Have it your way. Steal my idea. Have it your way. Call it what you want, but spell my name right. Rick hors d'oeuvre my manna. Are you getting hungry? You probably want to take the temperature of that meat, don't you? You do, don't you?
I just will have to have my meat thermometer.
What would you like the temperature to be?
165 is the ground heat.
All right.
So very.
This thing ain't working.
It's working. It's not cooked inside yet. Got a ways to go.
Okay, take a break. 102, 133. This must be hot spot.
Okay, we'll let them cook for a
Yeah, I'm
while.
going to rotate them around. I'll be back in a couple minutes. Let's put this on. That'll help cook the inside. Oh, these are the giant pack of rolls, I thought. But it says premium long rolls. That's why I got it. But look how long they are. They're not that long. That's not that long. It's gonna be all right though, right?
Yep.
Old time again. We had that last week for our tomato sandwiches, right? Old time.
Right.
All right, it's been about 7 minutes. Take the temp. 165, you say?
Yep. A little bit less is okay because I think.
Ooh, 169. 178.
Okay, go with the cheese now.
170. Turn the heat off. Leave the heat off. Turn the heat off. Yeah, they shrank up good, so they might fit in those mini rolls. Please. Are you following along with me? Break that piece in half. You want cheese on yours?
Sure.
Can I have a pickle on yours?
Yes, I am. Put that cover right back on.
Yep. Okay, let me get my buns ready. Sit down here and get going. There you go.
You're welcome.
Probably melted by now, right? Let me put a little mayo on here. This is how I like my hamburgers or cheeseburgers. I put a little, I'll put a little mayo down. Then I put my meat. Then I put my bacon on top of the cheese. I put some ketchup, pickle. Oh yeah, let's put that bacon on there.
Let me get you. Let me get it.
Think it's melted? Oh!
Okay.
Yes. You want bacon on yours?
Okay.
Wow. What kind of cheese is that? American? American?
Yes, American.
My favorite. Here we go. See, they did shrink pretty good, so it's all right. And you want one? Which one do you want?
A small one.
Preference?
No. They're all the same.
All right, here you go. Fix yours up. You want to sit down with me? Sit over, sit right there.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, you're not on camera, but I'm just gonna take a quick
Don't forget your
bite.
pickle.
Yeah. Pickle. And a little ketchup. Doesn't that look marvelous? Taking a bite. First ever burger dog today. That's it. Take your honk. Oh.
Perfectly done inside. Look. That meat thermometer works. Oh.
Should have sprinkled some diced onions on there like a hot dog, huh? You can make yours however you like, but it's a great idea. And thanks for reminding me. Remember we did these? I don't know why I didn't record it. But they were smaller. They weren't a patty, I had a 5-pound pack. Taking another bite. Crunchy bacon.
Oh, nice job, Rick. You did a good job with these. They taste great.
Got 2 more back there.
It's a little interesting way to have a cookout, right? A little bit different.
Yeah, surprise your guests. Have about 10 of them rolling around on your grill. Any grill. Or your frying pan. You know? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You know what I found out yesterday?
What?
Only 18% of my viewers are subscribed. It's easy. Please subscribe. Just click down there. It's free.
So 18 out of 100.
Yeah. Please subscribe.
180 out of 1,000.
It means a lot to us. This is fun. It's free. It's easy. Yum, yum, eat 'em up. Talk to you soon. Try this. It's good. Thank you. Oh, whoa. All right, bye.
That's good.
I'm having another one.
Good thing you made a couple extra.